Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on filling in our provisioning forms. These forms are essentially quotes the clients review and can choose to accept or modify. Typically, they're provided by an account executive from our sales team. Let's jump right in. Alright, so I have a demo quote here. We have a link, so let's click on the link which will take us to the actual quote. This is what it looks like. Pretty standard. Okay. So once you review it, you can choose to modify or accept. For this video, we'll go with accept. Next, it'll take us to an authentication page. Here, we'll enter our title, confirm the company name, and our name. So let's go with trainer. We accept terms and conditions, of course, and then hit next. Okay. So now we'll move on to the actual form. First, we'll go with the account name. It needs to be under 12 characters, all lowercase, no spaces, and no special characters. I'll stick to our demo company name and just leave it like that. Then the extension length. This is the length of your user's extension. We'll go with 3 for now. Next, the phone number, which should come pre-populated, but you can also choose to modify if needed. Then company name. Next, we'll pick a time zone. Then industry type. And we'll fill in our first and last name. Once that's done, we'll go to the next section where we can choose our payment details. So we can do EFT, for which you'll need to provide a routing number and other required information. Or we can go with the credit card option, which will open a link to a different site where you can enter your banking details. So once that's done, we'll click on Finish, and that's it. You've successfully filled in our provisioning form. Thanks for watching.